How to resize image in Canva without cropping. So if you want to resize image in Canva without cropping, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your Canva and then select your image. Once you've added the image, now if you want to resize your image in Canva without cropping, then what you need to do is just simply select your image at first and then go with position, which is on top. And once you click on position, you'll have two options, arrange and layers. So under arrange, you need to scroll down, and as you can see that you will have your width, your height, right? So you just need simply go and set your ratios in whole numbers. So you need to go with resize, which is on the top. And under resize, you need to go with again a resize. And here you will have custom size. You need to click on custom size. And here you will have width and height, right? So make sure that you've selected whole numbers, not with the points. And after entering the width and height, you need to just click on next and then click on resize, and it will resize your image without cropping. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.